Yo, you forget a fucking bushing? That's awesome, dude. Yo, oil light?
It's fine. I'll change that soon enough.
What?
10 minutes, okay.
It's fucking sick. Watch for these trucks, bro. They always swing wide.
Shit, I better stop.
This is so sick.
Yep.
See, isn't this what the hubs want?
No.
Talking to the girls at my work, like the servers, I was like, so do I just get like a cool car? Is that how I get them all to want me? They're like, I could give less of a fuck about his car. I was like, really?
You can see how my tires are fucked up because, like, you know, see. I'm changing it in a couple days though because I just ordered them, so.
That's so nice, bro.
So awesome, bro.
86 Prelude, never bagged.
Literally. It's so funny and stupid at the same time.
Always super careful with it.
It looks sick though.
It does.
Yeah.
Having the digital gauge. What's that?
What?
Below your fuel.
Below? Oh, the gray thing?
Yeah.
It's on my here.
Oh, whoa. That's so sick.
Yep. I love this car so much, bro.
Wait, you.
That's the lock.
Yeah, that don't work. I don't know.
And open this.
That's so sick.
Yeah.
Dude, this is a nice car. No AC though. Or does it? Yeah, it does. Oh, those are strong, huh?
Surprisingly. I keep them off most of the time though.
I don't notice it that much. I think it's with the older cars because they have like a less efficient AC.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, it only goes up to 220.
Doesn't go that fast.
No, you're over.
What is bro doing? Taking his sweet time here.
And you still shifted in a second.
Yeah.
It does have kick to it now, though.
Literally, bro, I love it.
So this is how it felt from factory, basically.
Pretty much. Other than the tie rods.
That's fine, though. You don't need those, really.
Not really.
It's just like your steering. You don't really need that.
Exactly.
Ever heard of a drag car? Yeah, this is sick. Gas went up. Fuck. Nice sound shit, though. I'm gonna be so bored. All the Filipinos at my work are gonna be like hyping me up.
Hell yeah, dude.
Dude, I was talking about them, and they were like, "What rim size?" And I was like, 18. And like 3 of them went 18s.
That's awesome. They are big. They look good as hell though.
It's so funny.
Yep.
It's hard too because it has such a like hard stick point.
Yep.
Like same with that little bike I had, bro. I was like, this definitely feels so much more like sporty.
Yep. I don't know what the speed limit is, so 40.
Damn oil light, bro. Did you last get your oil changed? 177?
When I bought the car.
You're due? You were due at 177.
No, that's been there for a long time. I got it done when I was. Oh, actually, no, because I bought the car when I was at 182, so. Wow, I'm in first gear. What am I doing?
Oh, so that's not
wait,
even
wait.
that bad, actually.
It's so fun, bro.
You can rev a little higher.
I know. Well, I got a 4.5. Last year I went to like 5.
Have you ever actually heard it, like, all out?
I went to 5. Not to 6, though. I don't want to. Never. I don't want to.
It's kind of scary.
It is.
But, like,
It's damaging to your engine, so.
really?
Dude, I saw one video of a Miata redlining it, right? And he was like, oh, I think something's wrong. He took apart his engine. The top of his pistons were black. So, like, that's kind of, yeah.
But have you seen those, like, K-swap Civics, bro? All of them. All of them.
If I had a K-swap, I would do that too, bro.
Yeah.
It was
Those things are
A-series, I mean, it's just an A-series, so.
Still good engine.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's sick, this even, too.
Yeah. I got the R6 Fusion and this random little tag
I
thingy.
forgot you had this stupid key.
I know.
It's not even on, bro.
What, this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I mean, that's what I got it with, so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You should get a Honda one made.
Yeah.
It kind of looks Aura, I'm not gonna lie.
I know, dude. It looks pretty cool.
It's like, you know those Corvettes with the modified headlights?
Yep.
Yeah. And they're like halfway, they're like the 4 dots.
Yeah.
Dude,
Hell
I need
yeah,
a lower
bro.
Civic.
I need to lower this car too.
No. When you look at it, you're like, damn, it should be lower.
Yeah.
Oh, still got 5 minutes.
Oh yeah?
May as well just admire. Oh, this person's gonna move speaker part beside.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Look at that. I don't even have to put it in third and fourth anymore over and over.
Really?
It doesn't grind. Brand new.
So far?
Yep. Every time.
That's fucked up.
A little bit, yeah. Get some photos.
Yes, that's exactly what I was thinking. I love the racing. Like, yeah, bro, that's what we do. Fast? No, don't race fast. Play races. You didn't define racing. So how much do you think I...
But it has a harsher ride. Is it really that worth it? Do you think I should lower my car 1 or 2 inches?
3.
Crazy. I could.
Lower battery.
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. These wheels look sweet.
I need to get it lower though. Otherwise it's just kind of stupid. Definitely looks a hell of a lot better, but
Yeah.
lowered would look so nice.
You know those old 2000s videos of cars? Bro, get the wide angle going. Hell yeah. Dude, your wheels actually are so cool though. Hell yeah. Looks so good.
I'll make sure I don't smoke. So let me send a picture to bro.
Oh, the wheels, bro. Holy. It looks so good. That looks so
now
good,
I
dude.
kind of look like car enthusiast.
Literally, yeah, you got a tint too.
Now that I actually am hearing the tires. Oh, it was so sketchy riding there. I was scared.